What's the meaning of bullet train? Bullet train. Bullet train.
Bullet train. Bullet train. The term bullet train refers to a high-speed train that is designed for rapid transit with speeds exceeding 200 km per hour. These trains are typically powered by electricity and use advanced technologies such as magnetic levitation, aerodynamic designs, and lightweight materials to achieve these high speeds. The development of bullet trains has revolutionized transportation in many countries, offering fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly travel options for passengers. Additionally, bullet trains have the potential to reduce traffic congestion, improve safety, and stimulate economic growth by connecting cities and regions.